You're in dance. You going?
I'm on the committee, remember?
No, I meant with anyone.
Oh, no.
Me neither. Should we go together?
Yeah, we should.
Dad, what are you doing?
Just want to say that you don't make sense.
It was great.
I should go.
Nice to see you too, Allison. Interesting girl.
She is.
So, dinner tonight? Celebrate the exam?
I'm